What does Altasciences do with client feedback? Whether it's praise or constructive criticism, your input is our compass, providing insight into our performance and helping us understand what we do well and what needs improvement. We see feedback as the key to a healthy, successful partnership, as well as the secret to repeat business. Our management team meticulously reviews every comment we receive from clients, and what we do with this information is what truly sets us apart. Feedback becomes our catalyst, resulting in our operational and leadership teams prioritizing and implementing changes to refine process, innovate, and improve. We promise every voice is heard. It's your invaluable insights that have fueled our evolution into an integrated drug development solution company. Truly. It was early client feedback that inspired us to change the outsourcing paradigm. It's also worth noting that sharing positive feedback is equally important to us. It inspires our teams and reinforces how each of us has a profound impact on developing potentially life-changing medicines.